The new WhatsApp iPhone style is finally out. Today, we are going to download the latest version. Wow, it's been a long time. If you have issues with your WhatsApp, please leave a comment below. I'm here to help you out. Go ahead, tell me your problems. Without saying anything more, let's get started. There are two important settings you have to disable before downloading WhatsApp iPhone style. The first one is auto blocker, the second one is play protect. If you don't follow this step, you may encounter problems during installation. Let's check them out. To disable auto blocker, go to your phone settings, scroll down until you see security and privacy. This step is very important. Pay close attention, guys. Okay? Tap on it, scroll down a little bit until you find it, and click on it right here to disable it. Once done, now go ahead to disable play protect. As you already know, just open Play Store and tap on your profile icon and click on play protect. Now click on this little icon right here and disable it. Now you are ready to download WhatsApp iPhone style. MB WhatsApp. You'll find the link in the comment section. Tap on it. You'll enter my Telegram channel. Now just tap on the letters MB WhatsApp. Click on it right here to download the latest version. Wow, this is very interesting, guys. Once done, go back and open your files manager. Tap on MB WhatsApp just to install it. Now open it, click on OK, give it permission right here. This step is very important, guys. Follow it carefully. Tap on link device. It will split like this. Now take a photo of this QR code. It's important. And then tap on the three dots in the middle right. Before doing all that, you need to have the official WhatsApp configured on your phone. Now tap on link devices, then link a device. When this camera appears, just take the other phone and scan the QR code you've captured earlier. MB WhatsApp is connecting. Wow, this is very interesting, guys. The steps are easy. You just need to follow them carefully. If you have issues, just leave a comment. I'm here to help you out. Or you can contact me on Instagram at LoneyJP. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now so you won't miss the next update. See you in the next video. Take care.